guys, today I'm going on the boat and it's gonna be a very nice day. It's like really nice and the boat is really nice and I got and just look at our view, it's so nice, isn't it? Really lucky. I was really sunny all day and yesterday was pouring rain, but look at this view. Isn't this? The water was really blue luckily and it was so see-through, but I could look at these birds, the pirate, the zipper, the person who was driving the boat said. It's so cool, isn't it? Empty island. Look at that tiny little seal. If you look really close, you can see it's so cute, isn't it? Look at this tiny little black seal climbing up. It's so cute. Look at the rainbow and my little dog called Kobe, a black Labrador. He's so cute, isn't he? And the rainbow, they're so beautiful today. That will be it today.